Are these YouTube videos promising you to make thousands of dollars a day a scam? Let's find out if these methods still work and how much money they make in reality. It's AI Wizard, and today we'll show you the truth about AI businesses, specifically about AI-written books on Amazon. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss another video like this. Last month, after AI became more popular among people, many different money-making methods using AI started to emerge. However, most of them are not new ideas. They simply replaced some human work with AI. That doesn't mean AI is a scam, but the reason we're talking about this today is to find out if they are genuinely making thousands of dollars. Today we'll talk about Amazon KDP, about which I already created a video with a fully guided tutorial on how to create a book with the help of AI in 30 minutes. If you still haven't watched it yet, it's better to watch that video after this one because you have a really good chance to generate great profits. If someone doesn't know what KDP means, it's Amazon's book publishing website, where you can upload books that were created by you or by AI. If someone buys it, Amazon will print it for you and ship it, so you don't have to worry about logistics or printing. This business existed years before AI became a thing, but now AI helps people write books faster or create book covers with really good designs. Let's find out how much people make from KDP. The best way to find out is either to calculate sales per day and multiply it by the earned money per sale, or go to the business marketplace where people sell their KDP businesses. In this case, we'll go to empireflippers.com to find out how much KDP businesses sell for. For example, this business that creates books in the lifestyle and culinary niche sells for almost $2 million. Monthly revenue is around $182,000, and the business was created in 2019 when AI wasn't that well known. People used freelancers to write books, and it took them a lot of time. So if this guy took around 3 years to create a business that makes $182,000 monthly revenue without the help of AI, you can do the same in less time. Of course, it's not easy, and it does take time, but we had a case 2 months ago when one of our books became a bestseller in children's short stories. Only one book started to generate $8,000 profit per month, and yes, that book was created fully by AI. You can take a look at websites like Empire Flippers to get an idea of how much people make from selling books. We'll also teach you how to calculate the amount of money a book makes. Open Amazon.com and find a book with some reviews. In this case, we will choose Kids Niche. After that, check the BSR number, which means bestseller rank. Copy that number and put it inside the calculator, which will show us the sales the book makes per day. Multiply that number by the book's price, and that's the revenue the book makes per day. Now you have an idea of how much money can be made from just selling books on Amazon KDP. In this case, we can say that this method isn't a scam, but you should get a good tutorial at first to do it correctly, and that's why we created a video about that. And now it's time for you to watch that video to start selling books on Amazon in one day. Trust me, if you spend just 1 to 2 hours daily for several months, you can earn a good passive income. That's all for today. If you want more detailed tutorials with real-life examples, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.